through the eyes of the goddess. The goddess is the mother of the light. She is infinite in form, grace, and power. Her eyes see the greatest potential for healing. The divine feminine always comes to the people, and we call on her to cleanse us, to protect us, to heal us, and to bless us. She teaches us of the gifts that are born from compassion for all sentient beings. She is here for us in times of crisis and dire need. She is the queen of the angels and the mother of God. She is the bringer of miracles and the mother of miracles. She is the mother of all people and the light of hope. She is the queen of the universe and of magic and life itself. She protects women and children and heals the sick. The goddess, in all her forms, teaches us to embrace both the light and the dark as a path to wholeness. She comes down to earth to tend to the suffering of her people. She is always grounded in the light and returns to the light. She embodies mercy, unconditional love, and strength. In each of our programs, we are training in a remembrance of our essential nature as a master being of love and light. As we come into greater alignment with the light within, with the love within, we step into our true power as healers. The goddess reminds us that power and mastery come through compassion, service, hope, and unconditional love. I'm going to leave you with this quote by one of my favorite authors, Marian Woodman. She says, "The goddess is the unspeakable wisdom that grows into the very cells of the body. She lives with this sacramental truth at her center. The beauty and the horror of the whole of life are blazing in her love. She is dancing in the flame."